Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to install the CPU. So the last video I did is how to make a motherboard, so today I'll be teaching you how to make a CPU. Because CPU is the next thing you want to do to install your computer. So CPU will look like this. This is iCore 7. And I'm not sure which one is it. I think it's about 380, something like that. And to the place to put in your CPU is here, this little slot. And you have to make sure your motherboard support your CPU, because if it don't, this slot won't fit and it's kind of waste you buy it. So to install your CPU first, you have to put everything in the spot. And you have to be really gentle with your CPU because it kind of break and harm easily. Okay, so next you want to put this slot here in and close this to make this stable. There we go, and the other one too. Okay, so next we need our CPU fan, and it's quite huge, I know, and yeah, and this CPU fan I take from Intel. In their case, they just give me this fan, but you can also buy another fan like Coolmaster, like that, to help your CPU cool down. But Intel fan is good enough for me. So to put in your fan, you have to put everything in the exactly spot, and you need a screwdriver. And just screw everything in. And here too. And the upper one. It's actually really hard to put all this in. You have to push a little bit, and this one too. So next, this little wire is the power of your fan CPU here to make this spin. So it actually depends on where is your slot for your CPU fan on your motherboard. Mine is upon here, over here, and everything you have to do is put it in. And it should say fan on it. So yeah, only thing you have to do is put this in. And yep, this is it. So this is how you install your CPU. And next video I will talk about how to install the RAM. So yeah, the next thing you have to do is install the RAM.